As the world still sleeps beneath a blanket of silver dawn, a silhouette cuts through the quiet horizon, bold, sharp, unmistakably alive. The 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 emerges not as a revival of the past, but as the rebirth of a dream, a machine sculpted from heritage and electrified by the future. Its pixel lights pierce the morning mist, its wedge-shaped body slicing through time itself. This is not nostalgia. It is revolution wrapped in memory. A declaration that performance can be clean, design can be fearless, and innovation can honor its roots while racing far beyond them. In the stillness of a quiet industrial district, the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 stands like a chapter pulled from a forgotten future. Its long, low hood and iconic wedge profile breathe the spirit of the original 1974 Pony Coupe concept, but now reimagined with modern sharpness. Every angle feels intentional. Every line carries a story. The car's proportions whisper the language of classic performance machines, yet the lighting, those signature parametric pixels, anchors it firmly in tomorrow. The front fascia glows with cold precision, a digital expression of confidence. Air vents, sculpted with aerodynamic purpose, guide the wind like a conductor shaping a symphony of motion. From the side, the N Vision 74 silhouette stretches clean and powerful, with flush surfaces that reflect the sky like polished glass. It is the perfect fusion of retro fantasy and engineering reality, a shape that feels familiar yet entirely reborn.
Walk along its flanks and you feel the presence of a car that was not just designed, it was carved. The doors carry deep, confident creases that catch the sun like blades. The matte and gloss paint interplay enhances every contour, shifting character with each step around it. The rear shoulders broaden like a sprinter at the edge of ignition, hinting at the twin electric motors hidden beneath. Subtle aero elements bend the airflow like invisible hands guiding its speed. The wheels, futuristic turbine-like alloys, revolve with the menace of a machine built for extremes. From every angle, the N Vision 74 communicates purpose. It wants to move, it wants to dominate, and it wants to be remembered. As dusk begins to fall, the N Vision 74 transforms. Its pixel lights awaken in full, revealing a digital heartbeat pulsing across its frame. At the rear, a continuous LED bar stretches across the car, segmented into pixel patterns that shift with motion, braking, and acceleration. It's a tribute to Hyundai's pixel design language, found in its Ioniq line, yet more expressive, more daring. When illuminated, the rear looks like a futuristic portal, a luminous spectrum of crimson and orange. The diffuser beneath, accented with functional fins, adds aggression to the car's stance. Together, they form a rear view that is instantly iconic, a visual signature destined to become a classic. Parked beside the original Pony Coupe, the N Vision 74 feels like the resurrection of a forgotten masterpiece. The sharp roofline, the triangular pillars, the long nose, they echoed Giugiaro's untouched sketches. But where the old concept lived only as an idea, the 2026 N Vision 74 brings the dream to life. Modern carbon fiber panels replace aged steel, hidden aerodynamic channels replace simple vents, and the hydrogen-electric hybrid heart beneath replaces old mechanical lungs. This is not a tribute, it is evolution with electric thunder in its veins, honoring the past while outrunning it.
Open the door and the world outside fades. Inside the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74, the cabin feels like a bridge between motorsport minimalism and futuristic luxury. Low-mounted seats sit deep within a cockpit that wraps around the driver with aircraft-like confidence. The steering wheel, trimmed in Alcantara, carries retro geometric patterns but houses modern touch controls embedded seamlessly within its form. The dashboard stretches wide and clean, dominated by digital panels that blend analog racing cues with next-generation UI clarity. Ambient lighting glows from hidden seams, bathing the interior in cool electric hues that echo the car's hydrogen pulse. Every element feels crafted with intimacy and precision. Less a space to sit and more a space to command.
The seats, wrapped in a blend of microfiber suede and leather, hold the driver with the firmness of a track-ready machine, yet the comfort of a touring Grand Coupe. Contrast stitching forms bold geometric patterns that echo the car's pixel motifs. The center console rises like a precise metallic ridge, housing toggles that click with mechanical confidence. Hydrogen system indicators glow gently above, providing live telemetry of the fuel cell and battery systems working in sync. The cabin architecture is intentionally lean. No excess surfaces, no unnecessary curves. Every button, every sculpted edge, every illuminated interface serves purpose, giving the interior an identity unlike anything Hyundai has crafted before.
The digital cluster blooms with layered graphics that move like holograms suspended in air. Data flows seamlessly. Motor temperatures, torque distribution, hydrogen levels, and battery power blending into a visual symphony of performance. The infotainment panel sits low and wide, designed not to distract, but to assist. Its animations feel weightless, transitioning with cinematic fluidity. Voice controls respond instantly, while real-time mapping adjusts routes based on hydrogen stations and performance needs. Hidden beneath the dash, the sound system resonates with crystalline clarity, enveloping the cabin with music engineered to match the acoustics of low, enclosed performance spaces. It is technology that respects focus, enhancing the drive without ever intruding on the moment.
There is an unmistakable energy within this cabin. The feeling of being inside something experimental yet refined, unconventional yet purposeful. The surfaces combine raw metallic finishes with soft touch materials, creating an aesthetic balance between brutalist and elegant. The roofliner glows with strips of ambient light that fade in and out like a slow heartbeat. Door panels integrate hidden handles and pixel-inspired perforations that glow softly at night. When the car powers on, the interior awakens like a spacecraft preparing for launch. Lights tracing across the dashboard, hydrogen pumps coming online, digital interfaces syncing into harmony. This is more than design. This is atmosphere engineered to ignite ambition.
Beneath the sculpted skin lies a powertrain unlike anything on the road today. The 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 fuses a hydrogen fuel cell stack with a high-capacity battery and dual rear motors. This tri-layered heart pumps out over 500 kilowatts of power, a fusion of clean energy and sheer force. The hydrogen stack feeds the battery during demanding conditions, ensuring the motors never starve for power. The result? Acceleration that doesn't fade, torque that doesn't rest, and a driving experience that feels relentlessly alive. The N Vision 74 is not simply fast, it is sustainably ferocious. On twisting roads, the car becomes a creature of confidence. The dual rear motors provide independent torque vectoring, carving lines through asphalt with surgical precision. Turn-in is immediate, controlled, and addictive. Weight shifts like flowing water, and the low battery placement keeps the center of gravity planted firmly against the earth. The steering communicates every grain of the road, while the suspension balances firmness with fluidity. Whether gliding through sweeping bends or attacking tight urban curves, the N Vision 74 feels engineered for a connection between road and machine, between driver and destiny.
Press the accelerator and the world narrows into a single electrified moment. The motors deliver instant torque, propelling the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 breathtaking seconds. There's no combustion roar. Instead, a futuristic hum rises, layered with the soft mechanical resonance of the hydrogen pumps working at peak intensity. It feels like silent thunder, power delivered without violence, speed without the burn of fossil fuel. This is performance redefined, not by sound, but by sensation. Where most electric cars fade with distance, the N Vision 74 thrives. Its hydrogen system refuels in minutes, restoring its stamina without long pauses. The battery and fuel cell work together like marathon partners, one delivering bursts of power, the other reviving energy on the go. The result is extraordinary. A range exceeding 600 kilometers and the ability to push performance repeatedly without compromise. It is endurance electrified, a testament to what the future of clean motorsport can become.
As the day fades and the final light drapes across its angular form, the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 stands as more than a car. It is a promise that the dreams of yesterday can become the breakthroughs of tomorrow. It reminds us that performance can be clean, design can be daring, and heritage can be reborn with electrified power. In every pixelite, every hydrogen pulse, every silent surge of acceleration, the N Vision 74 echoes the spirit of a legacy brought back to life. And as it disappears into the horizon, it leaves behind a message. The future isn't coming. The future has arrived.